here.
Grandma Cole!
Stop yelling.
No, that's yellow and red.
That's yellow.
That's yellow.
False alarm.
Both yellows and red.
Maybe that's her.
Grandma, where are you?
I think she was last out.
That's not her.
She was the most calm.
Oh, I think that's her.
Which one?
That right there?
This one right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's her.
Think so, honey?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Harper. Yep.
That's her.
Look it, I can see the teal. Mom's legs are already up. Good job, Mom. She's gonna be sore. She's gonna be so sore. You don't have to do it so early.
Find her in the binoculars. I can't find her.
Woo!
Come, this landing!
Be gentle.